A MOSFET can be checked fairly quickly right on the PCB using nothing more than a standard multimeter. The very first step is to discharge the gate. In a MOSFET, the gate behaves like a capacitor. If any charge remains stored on it, the transistor may stay turned on. This can easily lead to the false conclusion that the device has failed or is shorted. So, before taking any measurements, simply short the gate, drain, and source together. This discharges the gate capacitance, and if the MOSFET is healthy, it should return to the off state. Next, check the intrinsic body diode. For an N-channel MOSFET, connect the positive multimeter probe to the source and the negative probe to the drain while using diode-test mode. In this direction, the body diode should conduct, and the meter will typically display a forward voltage drop of around 0.5 to 0.7 volts. Reverse the probe polarity, and the diode should block current. In that direction, the multimeter should indicate an open circuit. Now comes the interesting part. Briefly apply a voltage between the gate and source using the multimeter itself. To do this, place the positive probe on the gate and the negative probe on the source. This charges the gate capacitance. Even a fraction of a second is usually sufficient. Afterward, measure between the drain and source again. The MOSFET should now be turned on, and the measured resistance will drop dramatically because the channel has entered the conductive state. If the transistor shows continuity in both directions regardless of gate charge, or if it fails to turn on after charging the gate, this is a strong indication that the device is defective and should be replaced. If you found this video useful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other videos on electronics design and hardware engineering.